Hi, Alex Almeida here from EMC's Backup and Recovery Systems Division. We have discussed in other videos how important your mission-critical applications, and in particular the data that is your business, residing in those applications. In this video, I will concentrate on one specific mission-critical application, Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Microsoft, in the latest release of SQL Server, always-on availability groups were introduced. Similar to database availability groups in Microsoft Exchange, AAGs provide level of availability and protection for access to your production data residing in the database. Counter to the assumption others have made, this technology still does not eliminate the need for a sound backup and recovery solution for SQL Server data. While AAG provide high availability and multiple copies of your SQL data, the possibility for soft corruption to propagate to all the copies is still very possible. AAGs, however, can be leveraged for more efficient backup of your database data and also provide a means for you to completely offload your backup I/O from your production database instances entirely. Let's take a closer look at how this is done. In a SQL AAG environment, EMC Avamar is integrated with SQL Server VSS APIs and is fully aware of the entire AAG configuration in the cluster, providing fully federated backup. With this intelligence, we can execute backups against the passive copies of the database rather than the active volumes, which are serving up transaction I/O to your production users. This is a win-win situation since you can leverage unused resources hosting the secondary replica for the backup, and also free up valuable processing and I/O resources for your primary database replica. Avamar's integration is taken one step further in that the Avamar client and plugin for SQL will look for certain backup preferences that the DBA has specified from within the SQL Server Management Studio and follow those guidelines on where to perform the backup. This gives the DBA or application owner the control on how the databases are backed up, while at the same time control is still maintained by the backup administrator. The DBA has the ability to select from various modes depending on which particular member of the AAG they would like backups to be targeted from. Avamar will intelligently look at these settings and scan the database replica desired. This is especially useful in the event of a replica loss or availability, or even failure. For this example, the DBA has chosen the preference to only perform backups on a secondary replica by setting the backup preferences in SQL Management Studio to secondary only. During production on Tuesday, the secondary replica assigned to Node 2 experienced a failure and is unavailable. On Tuesday night's backup, no further administration or change in backup directive is required. For the next backup, Avamar will simply be aware of the failure and intelligently choose another secondary replica that is available for that database. As with all of Avamar's application-aware backup agents, it's this tight integration and intelligence about the application which provides you with the most consistent backup possible. Not only can you be assured that your backup will be application consistent, but you can rest easy knowing that Avamar and its agents offer flexibility to meet your specific requirements, all while assuring you never miss another backup again. For more information on EMC Avamar or any other component of the EMC Backup Suite, visit emc.com. And thanks for watching.